Hi! In front of me is our Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this honor. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. After that, you need to click on Text and Display Size over here, and swipe left or right on this text size slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, click on the back button, and as you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!